Oh my god, I should stop this. Today I wanted to try out Marcela Tumus No Heat curls. After getting my hair cut short, I started curling my hair because I really liked how it looked. Without curling my hair, this is what it looks like. So I'm after a shower and I let my hair air dry, and so I haven't brushed it or anything either. So I'm gonna brush it now. And yeah. So I completely brushed my hair out, so I don't think there are any knots or anything that would mess up the curls. So I cut up a t-shirt of mine that I wasn't wearing. So now what you're supposed to do is part your hair from the middle. This is what she does in her video, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Amidst realizing how shitty my hair looks, I started complaining as per usual.
Probably because my hair grows so fast and anything I do, it just vanishes from my hair in like 4 months. So let's give him a point. I'm gonna take the cloth, the t-shirt cloth, I'm gonna place it in the middle. I'm gonna leave a little space on top, like about 2 to 3 inches. I'm gonna take a little part of hair from the top, start from whichever side that you're comfortable with. I'm gonna wrap it around the cloth, like so. And this little part, what you're gonna do with that is basically you're gonna connect it with another part that you take from the next piece of hair that you grab, which is supposed to be next to the piece that you grabbed earlier. And then you're gonna connect it at the bottom like this, see? And then take that piece away, and you're gonna keep doing that, like so. Wrap it around the edges and secure it with a hairband. Grabbed one. Oh! No! I really hope that this doesn't come off. So I'm gonna do that to the next side.
A few moments later.
So I'm gonna tie both the tails together and clip it for security. I have a feeling that I didn't do great on this side, but that'll do. So all you're gonna do is sleep on this monstrosity for 12 hours.
Many unbearable hours later.
So, update on my sleep. I did not sleep well. I really hope this works. Oh, okay, and now I'm excited. Oh no! Okay, no, we need to do something about it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Did it work? I mean, yeah, obviously.
Somebody lied to her several times and told her that she was fly, hot, and sexy and beautiful, and she's nothing like that. She's nothing of the sort.
After a while of tossing and turning my hair, I realized that it wasn't really working out for me and decided to momentarily give up.
So I brushed my curls out like this. They still stay curly. Looks neater, which I kind of like at this point. So yeah, I guess this is the best I could come up with.
Nice.
You could obviously leave it as is without combing it out, but I felt like it wasn't really my thing. But yeah, if you can go through it, I guess the results are kind of okay.
Okay.
I don't know, I'm just so used to doing it with a curling iron or a straightener. So if you're someone who do not have a curling iron or a straightener, definitely try this.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
You better talk, I don't talk, I get it. Yeah, you know I'm about it, they pick me money, I'ma let it run into the bag like I'm so athletic. I've been up since